sand, the sunlight warm across the land, laughter rising in the salted air, a Sunday peace that feels so rare. Families gather by the waves, letting go of heavy days. The ocean breathes a steady song, a place where everyone belongs. The shoreline hums with simple grace, smiles reflected face to face. For just a while the world feels light as troubles fade in morning bright. Children running by the tide, friends and strangers side by side, finding rest in nature's arms. A quiet day without alarms, a Sunday crowd beneath the sky, watching seabirds drifting high, reminding hearts to simply be and feel the calm beside the sea.